Okay guys, it is another beautiful week and we will be checking out the trending market for the week, and of course we will get to see how the market is performing throughout this week, and this will be a proper guide for each and every one of us whenever we are trading. Okay, so we will be doing this right now in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, we will be starting out with Boom 1000. Remember, I will be doing my analysis on the higher time frame so that we can capture what is going to happen throughout the week. Okay, so you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading, because any little pullback on the higher time frame can be a total reversal in price action on the lower time frame. Okay, so this is very important. So this actually started a downtrend for a very long period of time, and of course, it got to this region and played around there for a while, but later on broke out below this and it sold for a while, even though there are pullbacks in between. But at this point, it got to this support zone, giving us a W structure, which led to this uptrend, and this is still going to buy for long. Okay, I just needed to break out above this resistance zone. It used to be a support zone before, if you should notice it around here, but this time around it has turned into a resistance zone. So once it breaks out above it, then we expect this trade to get to this particular spot. Okay, right from there, remember this is H4, so this is going to be a long trading opportunity, and of course guys, if it breaks out from here, then it should get to this spot. Okay, so we expect more buying opportunity, more of an uptrend than a downtrend on Boom 1000. Okay, except if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone, that is when it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you should take advantage of the market that way. So let's move on to the next asset. Okay, this is the next asset, Boom 500. Boom 500 had been on downtrend for long, and of course you can see the trend signal, you can see the sell signal, and it had been selling for a very long time. Got to this support zone and went back on uptrend, but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it came down trying to break out from that support zone, and of course it is still selling at this moment. So this is still very much of a downtrend until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. That is when it will go back into an uptrend, but for now it is still on downtrend. Okay, let's check out Crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on uptrend right from this support zone after giving us this pattern, and of course, but still it got to this region, had a little period to sell for a while before going up to get to this resistance zone, came down again, and it is approaching or making another attempt on the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more and may likely get to this particular spot. However, if it does not break out above it, then it's going to sell again, and we will have to get to this region first, and if it breaks out from here, and then it will get to this particular spot. Okay, the reason for giving us such instruction is because it has gotten there around there, it was unable to break out from there again here and again here. Okay, so if in case it's unable to break out from here, then it will sell to till it get to this region and may likely get to this also. But if it breaks out from here, because if you should look at the big structure, it's most likely for it to break out from there. Once it breaks out from here, it's going to be getting to this region. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. Let's check out Crash 500. This is Crash 500, and of course let's see what is happening with Crash 500. Okay, So for Crash 500, it had been on uptrend right from here, got to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between, and got to this region first, went back up, and of course came down again, and of course looking for an opportunity to break out from here. So once it breaks out, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. So the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. Okay, V75. This is V75, and of course this had been on uptrend for a while, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, and of course it started a downtrend, even though it played around there for a very long time. Got to this support zone, went back up and played, and of course came back there again, still went back up, and of course it is at the same support zone right now and may likely break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then we expect a long selling opportunity. It may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you guys can take your time to milk the market right from here till this very spot. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so it seems the market is going to be very juicy for us today. Okay, I mean throughout this week, so you guys should take advantage of all the analysis throughout the assets. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.